Hey everyone, in this video we're taking a look at the Where To feature on the Garmin nuvi 3597LMTHD. Here we are on the main menu. We have Where To on the left, and you'll select that essentially to decide where you want to go. From here you can enter in an address, select a destination from the points of interest database, navigate to a saved point, but basically when you're going to travel somewhere, your starting point is Where To. Some different icons, some different choices we have here. Start at the top where it says Enter Search. And this is sort of the catch-all search bar for Where To. You can put a lot of different things in here. An address, you can put in a specific name of a restaurant or store that you want to travel to. So kind of a just generic search bar. Below that, you have Go Home, which you would use to navigate to your home location from wherever you currently are. And to the right of that is Address, where you would enter in an address manually step by step. To the right of that is restaurants, and then down at the bottom also gas stations and shopping, and that is the beginning of the POI, or Points of Interest database. So you can select any one of these, and that's going to generate a list. In the case of restaurants, it'll give you a subcategory list, but we'll select all restaurants, and that is going to now display all of the restaurants that are close by to where I currently am. So you can scroll through and select any one of those. When you do select it, it's going to give you three options. The one on the left is routes. That's going to show you different ways in which you can get to that restaurant. Over on the right is go. That'll just start you on a route traveling there right away. In the middle, you have I, which is information. If you tap that, it'll show you where it is on the map, give you a phone number, time, distance, and you can also use that if you want to save this point. In the lower right, next to shopping, you have Add Shortcut, which you would use to add a shortcut to the Where To screen. You can select from Favorite Search, Category, Saved Place, Custom POIs, Intersections, Cities, and Coordinates. Over here, jumping up a little bit, you have Categories, Saved, and Recent. Categories is the full POI database. So this is it. Restaurants, shopping, everyday life, gas stations. You can select any one of these categories here. Again, that will generate a list, maybe subcategories. You can pick something from there, and it'll show you all of the locations that are close to where you are. Just as before, you can select routes, go, or get more information about it. Below categories is saved. That will display the saved points you have on your GPS. Lower right-hand corner, very bottom, is recent, the recently found points. Jumping up now, it says searching near Las Vegas NV. The default here is searching near wherever you are. But what you can do is, select that bar, and that will give you some different options, among them to search near a different city. This is good to know. If you are ever going to be traveling to a different city, if you're going to Boston or Edmonton or wherever you're going, you can search near some other place and use this to save some points ahead of time. If you know the address of your hotel, or know that you're going to be traveling from your hotel to a specific address or destination, you can plan that all out, save those points, view the routes. You can do all that ahead of time to a certain extent. So that is a good thing to know how to do. In the upper left-hand corner now, we have this three-bar menu that will give you the option to either set your home location or remove a shortcut. So remember, down here, you can add a shortcut to the Where To. To remove a shortcut, that's in the three-bar menu in the upper left. So that is a quick look at the Where To feature on the Garmin nuvi 3597 LMTHD.